What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to scan multiple pages into a PDF document on your Epson EcoTank printer. The first thing we need to do guys is make sure that we have something ready to scan in the top of our printer. You want to make sure that your scanning document is face down on the glass guys, and the orientation is shown here. So the bottom corner of the page should be here, or sorry, the top corner, because these little marks here, as you can see, this shows the way up that it's supposed to be. So this shows where the top of your page should be for the correct orientation. Now let's close the printer, and I'm going to show you how to scan multiple pages. The first thing we need to do guys is make sure our printer is connected to our computer, because that's where we are going to be doing this, and you will need to have installed the Epson scan software and the correct drivers via the software installer on the Epson website. Now guys, if you haven't done that or you don't know where to do that, check the video down below. I have a full guide showing you from your printer to your computer how to set all of that up just via the Wi-Fi. Super easy, but let's get into it. Let's assume that we have installed the Epson scan software, and I'm going to get my computer now. Just little slide over, and we can see we have the Epson scan software loaded. Now if you don't know where to find it guys, search up Epson scan 2. It will automatically appear on your computer after you have installed the Epson drivers, and it will automatically connect to your printer. So as we can see, we have our Epson ET2950. And guys, I do want to mention that this tutorial will work for any EcoTank printer. The scan software is exactly the same no matter what printer you have. Now the important thing is guys, so check all of the settings, make sure you're happy with the resolution, color, all of these things. Check the advanced settings. Now the important thing is add or edit pages after scanning. Now we're using a PDF here, and to be honest, this is probably only really useful if you're using PDF, but if you're kind of a specialist and you use any of these others, then you know, feel free to try. We're going to see that it's saved in our documents, and it's saved as image, blah, blah, blah. Now, all we have to do, guys, is we've pressed this. So now if we press scan, it's going to start scanning our first page. And then once that's done, it's going to say, do you want to add any more pages? Do you want to save it? All of these things. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip over our piece of paper to get the other side of the document. And then we are going to press scan again. So as we can see, it says scanning complete. Press save, cancel, add, or edit. Now we are going to flip it over. So I'm going to load up my scanner here, flip it over like this, put it in the top corner as so, and close it. So now we've done that, we're going to press add. So it's going to scan an additional page. And then when that's done guys, we will press save, and then I'm going to show you that it has worked. So it will have automatically joined your other PDF file, or your other document, into one PDF file saved on your computer. And the software is pretty good. It will just open up the folder that you've saved it in. If we press save now, it will open up the folder that we have it saved in, and you can see here that it has done it correctly. So obviously I did the first page second, but if I'd done that first, it would be the first one on the document. But yeah, that's it for today guys. That is how to do multiple pages. If you want to do another one, just press add again, add your new document, and then it will add it to the PDF. But that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any other comments or questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, guys. We'll help everyone out as soon as we can. We love helping you guys out, guys. That's all we want to do. We just want to help you guys use your printers. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.